Appreciation. Dear friend, these times have been testing, but aren't many a time. I'm forever in a quandary. I'm frequently searching for answers and solutions, and here is a situation where there really are no conclusive outcomes. I thank my partner and my children for their patience and understanding. I thank them for their unconditional love and support, to which I return with a full heart. I thank those family members who have needed to stay away for their generous love and time over the telephone. Times have eased a little for some, more than others. I thank friends, some of whom have been distant to me long before lockdown, and I to them. What busy lives we all lead in this modern world. I thank nature for all its beauty, which makes me think how much I'm grateful for nature as well. Personally, I don't think I would have got through this without being in nature every day. I thank the sunshine for lifting our moods. I thank the uncertainty for its camaraderie, which is an amazing way of looking at it. I'm thankful that I have been able to feed, clothe and hold my children tightly during this unsettling time and be close to my partner for hugs and kisses. I'm thankful for reuniting with my eldest daughter, who's been on lockdown with my mother for 4 months. I'm relieved to gradually be rekindling with my extended family. A force, a predator, an inconvenience, most certainly, but nonetheless a calling, an appreciation of a new beginning. It's a really interesting shift, and I don't quite know what it means, but it definitely feels big. I hope this letter reaches you safely. I wish you all the best in these new times. Peace and dwell beyond farewell. This place 'tis for living. And it ends with 2 kisses and a balloon heart, and then 2 more kisses. And there's no name signed. I think there's some amazing positivity in there. The camaraderie of the uncertainty, I think, is brilliant. I've just reread the last bit. I read it as peace and dwell beyond farewell, but it's actually written pace and dwell beyond farewell. This place 'tis for living. So I thought I should correct that. But interesting that I made that mistake and found peace at the end where it wasn't. Beautiful letter.